Hello students, in my last lecture I discussed about prime factorization. What was prime factorization, do you remember? A factorization in which every factor is prime is called prime factorization. Today we will discuss the methods of prime factorization. There are two methods of prime factorization. First is factor tree method. To understand this method, let us take a composite number 12. Write this 12 in circle in this way and break this number into two parts into its factors. 2, 6 are. You can think here 3 4s are also. Both are okay. Now 2 is a prime number and 6 is a composite number. Again break this composite number 6 into two factors. We can write here 2 3s are 6. So the prime factorization of 12 became 2 into 2 into 3. This method of prime factorization is called factor tree method. Always remember, a prime factorization will contain no composite number. Now our second method, division method. To understand this method, let us take the composite number 36 and divide it by the smallest prime number. Our smallest prime number is 2. We will observe that the number is even number, so it is divisible by 2, and 2 multiply 18 gives 36. That is, if we divide 36 by 2, we get quotient as 18. We have to write here quotient. Now again 18 is a prime number. Sorry, it's an even number. It is divisible by 2 again. 2 9s are 18. Again I am writing here quotient. Now 9 is an odd number, so we can't divide it by 2. 3. It is divisible by 3 now. 3 3s are 9. Again I have written the quotient 3. 3 is again divisible by 3. We will keep on dividing till we get 1. As we get 1, stop. So the prime factorization of 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Clear to everyone? And we always start dividing by the smallest possible prime number and keep on doing the same till we get 1. Hope the method is clear to all of you. Now you will solve your worksheet number 9. Now if you have purchased your books, you can do the question 1 and 4 in your books only, and remaining students can do in their rough notebooks. I am showing you the pic. First question, fill in the blanks. 16, 2 into 8, 8 again became 2 into 4, 4 became 2 into 2. We have divided the number into two parts till we get all prime numbers. So here the prime factorization became 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. The remaining parts you will do yourself. Next, using factor tree method, as I discussed my first method, you will find the prime factorization of the following. That is, the similar method will be used. Clear? In next question, using the division method, that was my second method, we will find the prime factorization of the given numbers. Next, fill in the missing numbers. Thank you.